Over time, things progress and evolve, just like tech or the way that we think as a society, and the way that we network should be no different. In modern day, buying business cards over and over again is literally throwing money in the trash, because guess what people do with them? They leave them in their pocket where they get crumpled up to the point where you can't read them, throw them in the trash, leave them in a car, etc. So I'm going to tell you what to do instead right after the intro. Something's broken. Hi, I'm CM Williams, video strategist and digital marketing consultant, and I'm here today to tell you to also go digital with your business card. You networking in itself can be digital marketing. This is the last card I got printed, and I got this card printed back in 2017. And the reason this was the last card I ever had to print is because around that same time I got one single card. And whenever you tap this card to a person's phone, it brings your information up. Recently I decided to lay out that this is called Blue Social, that Blue Social had for their contact card was a little outdated for me, so I went to research some new ones, and the only company I knew at the time that had something similar to this was Popl. And so I googled Popl. I actually ended up ordering their product. One thing I got was this Popl band, but I pulled the trigger too early. One way that I research what I want to buy is to Google something and then go back into social media to see what the web tracking and cookies show me. And so I pulled the trigger on Popl too early. I'm actually not using Popl, I'm using Linq. And so this is my Linq card, and check this out. So whenever you scan or tap this card to a smartphone, a link comes up that enables you to click it. And when it loads, your contact card comes up, and it shows you everything that you would want someone that you're networking with to see. I've even gone as far as making this the link in my Instagram bio. And at the very bottom of the bio, they can actually lock me in to save my contact. But on here, I have like a headshot, cover, logo, what I do, my YouTube channel, links to things, social media, and just a few videos and such I want to share. Linq is gonna be kind of the basis, who we talk about in this video, just because they're the company that I've chosen. Right then and there, you eliminate the need to not only have to enter your information manually or give them your information sort of verbally. They get to see everything about you right then and there. You don't have to kind of convince them or text them different links and such that you want to share with them. So yeah, this is always something that's pretty cool whenever I'm networking with somebody. And guys, this leaves impressions. Literally 100% of the time that I tap this card to the back of someone's phone, they're wowed by it. And I become an interaction that at least for the next few days they won't forget. Or I end up being someone they actually contact, or if you're at a networking event, again, you're just one of those few interactions they're going to remember. Oh, and check this out. Linq makes a watch band that you can tap a person's smartphone onto, and the same thing happens. I pulled the trigger on the band. Here's the box right here. I'm actually about to put this on. Again, guys, it leaves impressions. If for some reason you're fussing with tapping it onto someone's phone, or they have an older phone, there's also a QR code on the back of these cards that you can scan. Same result. And also, I hope the camera can see this, you can also put the QR code right in your phone. Y'all want to scan it? But yeah, you can put the QR code right there in your phone's wallet. Pretty neat, huh? I just want to interrupt real quick to say, if you're finding value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing, contributing to the journey of growth for this YouTube channel. And no, this video is not sponsored by Linq, but if you use my code SHOOTER15, you'll get 15% off at linkapp.com on your card or your pop socket or whatever you want to buy to network with. All right, let's get back to it. But yeah, Linq's the only company I've seen make the watch band, but them along with other companies like Popl and Dot or something like that, they also have pop sockets. And the thing I bought from Popl, because I originally actually wanted a watch, something on my wrist, I was gonna pair it with the card, but something that Popl made that I ordered that I'll probably still keep around as a backup is kind of a wristband that looks like a watch, but I mean, this is way cooler. And now I know what you're thinking. What if the person's phone is too old? What if their phone is dead? What if, I don't know, there's no power, whatever? Those are valid questions. And with that said, I mean, yeah, keep a few printed cards around. The whole purpose of me telling you this is that you don't have to keep on throwing these around, passing them out, and then go, oh no, I'm out, and you gotta run back to Staples to get another pack of 400 of these. Like, no, stop buying these. What you can do with that money instead is there are sort of premium and paid versions of Linq and Popl where you can kind of use those CRM integrations and lead capture and see analytics on who's clicking your profile. Again, I have mine in my LinkedIn. I mean, not LinkedIn. I have it there too. In my Instagram bio. If you're running like promos and you're using this link as the destination spot or like the landing page to that promo, you can track how many people are visiting and clicking the different links within your profile. At least on Linq you can. So yeah, if you're networking and that person's phone is a dinosaur, it's dead, by all means, break this out. But whenever you get in contact with them or whenever they hand you your number, whenever they hand you their number, be sure when you're texting them, go to your profile, hit that share button, and send them your link. Send them your link in the text. And like, again, it's just a place where you can cake every link, everything that you want someone to see you front facing, right there on the profile. And within this, I know I'm showing you a certain way, but within this, you can kind of shift these things around. You can customize it more. Nothing is locked into place. You can make it a grid if you want it to be a grid. I just kind of prefer the more, web page like layout. I might play with making it a grid myself, but Linq has made this pretty customizable. So again, with Linq, you can buy pro versions of the app where you get more features in the background. Like I said, you integrate with your CRM. You hear that's lead capture that you can get right from your digital business card / watch band / the little wooden card I had. Yeah, it was made of wood. It's pretty cool. Or that you can get just your Instagram bio, LinkedIn, wherever. You're getting lead capture just by getting a piece of tech like this. For the pro version of the app that comes with various features that I think a business owner needs, especially if they want to track their activity, $5 a month or $50 for the entire year. And either way you put it, you're saving money not buying business cards and doing this instead. So yeah, just to recap this, you're saving money, you're being seen more, you're leaving a great first impression, which automatically ups the probability that you will get contacted by whoever you networked with. But yeah, that wraps this one up. If you're about to look into some NFC tech business cards after this video, I applaud you for getting with the times. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll have more information for you in the next one. So until next time.